Hello everyone. Myself Chef Poonam Dedia. I am from Mumbai and my roots are in Kutch. So basically I'm half Mumbaikar and half Kutchi.
Okay. So, what is the festival all about today?
It's about Kutchi to Kathiawad and still there is a last season left for the seasonal winter veggies. So at the same time we are also doing a little bit of Surti cuisine as well. So on first day we did Surti Undiu, then there was Surti Danklu. So that's how we are doing it. And regards to Kutch and Kathiawad, yes, the cuisine is very rustic and very authentic, very traditional. It's loaded with spices, but yet very tasty and very delicious. So it's difficult to describe, but I can say one thing: when everything comes together on a plate, it's symphony of flavors.
Yeah. When it comes to Symphony of Flavors,
Huh.
which are the healthy flavors that you would like to introduce us to?
Everything, in fact, the whole cuisine itself is very healthy. The reason is because the overall Gujarati cuisine is very seasonal. So as per the season, the menu changes. So it's it's the best way to use the seasonal produce. So in those terms, it is really healthy. जैसे अभी आज के लिए example I'll give you. Here we have made handwo, which is like Gujarati handwo, you can say. It's made with rice and combination of dals, as well as it is loaded with all the possible seasonal veggies that you can like. और जैसे अभी हरभरे की अभी भी सीजन है, सो आप उसमें हरभरा डाल दो, पीनट्स डाल दो फॉर द क्रंच, एज वेल एज इवन नट्स आर ऑल्सो गुड फॉर योर, दे हैव अ गुड फैट्स विद देम. So that's how you can incorporate some crunch items as well.
Can you explain this?
Then this is Surti Bhindi capsicum. So it's made with fresh green condiments, and just to elevate the colors, I've added yellow bell pepper. So it becomes very good looking kind of thing.
So,
Yeah.
what about the chutneys? Which are the special chutneys that you have and pickles you have?
There is a small array of pickle thali. I will take you. This is raita marcha. Then there is Kutchi special bijora. So it's nothing but a desi pomelo, which is specifically grown in Kutch, and that's how we call it as bijora. Then this is Nimbu ka meetha achar hai, which is oil free. Then this is god keri. That's khatti keri. Then this one ghee and god hai, because Kutch to Kathiawad hai, तो ghee and god is mandatory.
Can you
उसके
explain about Bijora? What kind of prominence it has?
prominence as in ki firstly it comes from a citrus family. It's very tangy to have. It's very citrus more than the lemon, I would say. Other thing in terms of health nutrition, it is like it's very good for your digestive problems as well as liver problems. So it has got the medicinal value as well. Then there is Kathiawadni Khandeli Lasanni chutney. My mouth is watering. Then here we have the season ka last seasonal fresh turmeric ka pickle hai. So we call it as Atheli Hardar, which is very chatpata, and again it is probiotic and good for your gut health.
What about this one?
दिस इज़ काठियावाड़ी खांडेली लसणनी चटनी, और ये है मिक्स अचार है, तो जिसमें फ्रेश हल्दी भी है येलो वाली. देन देर इज़ केर, सांगरी, केरी, कैरेट्स, बिट्स ऑफ ग्रीन चिलीज एंड ऑल. सो इट्स अगेन मज़ा आएगा ये पिकल खाने में भी. दिस इज़, ये आज का हीरो डिश है इनफैक्ट आई वुड से, विच इज़ एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंटिंग द काठियावाड़. द नेम ऑफ द डिश इज़ वराडियो.
So, what are
As you can
vegetables
see,
used in this?
many, not one. It's amalgamation of mixed veggies. तो इसमें है आचारी चिलीज है, होल गार्लिक बल्स है, बेबी ऑनियन है, बेबी टमाटोज है, बेबी पटेटोज, देन देर इज ड्रम स्टिक, देर इज बेबी ब्रिंजल, एंड एवरीथिंग इज, एंड एज वेल या करेलेज भी है इसमें, बिटर गॉड. सो दोज हु से कि हमें करेला नहीं पसंद है, आई वुड से प्लीज़ कम एंड ट्राई दिस. उसके बाद आप लाइफ में कभी नहीं बोलोगे. इंस्टेड यू वुड से कि येस आई लव करेलाज. इट इज़ दैट यमी.
So, people who have sweet tooth.
For them, yes, yes. For them, we have special two mithais for the day. One is kopra pak, and other one is vedmi. So this vedmi we generally prefer to enjoy it with the classic Gujarati kadhi.
Okay. And when it comes to Khopra Pak, how
Huh.
is it made?
It's made in various forms. One is with the desiccated coconut. One is with the the fresh coconut. So both the versions taste equally yummy. Yes, so both are liked by all the Gujaratis, and when kopra pak comes, so everyone is like, it brings a smile on everyone's face.
So, Kathiawadi theme. So, tell us about the theme and the ambience.
सी मैंने आपको आज का जो ट्रेडिशनल मेनू था वो तो मैंने आपको बताया. आई मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे है रीजनल ट्रेडिशनल फूड कैसे होता है. एंड जैसे ये डेको आप देख रहे हो अभी, तो दिस एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंट्स द गुजरात एंड दी काठियावाड़. एंड आई वुड ओनली से वन थिंग, આવો બધા સાથે મળીને માણીએ કાઠિયાવાડનું ભાણું.